Today we will see the next part of the practice material on use of regular and irregular verbs in the past tense, because this is a very important concept, because we commit mistakes when we are using the regular verbs in the past tense as well as irregular verbs in the past tense. Especially mistakes occur when we use didn't or when we start the questions with did. That is why this needs more practice, and we will try to practice with almost all the irregular verbs in the sequence of videos that we will have. So, this is the second part of that sequence. So, I will show from this one how the practice should be done for the other two tables. Then the similar fashion you also practice, so that the fluency will increase and there will be an opportunity for you to use the language. See, language can be learnt only through use, through using it regularly, giving practice to the tongue as well as making your brain sharp in generating new type of sentences with new meaning. So, here these three are the again regular verbs. That means, if you can see that it ends with the past tense, ends with the ed form, like paint present tense, painted past tense. He painted the blackboard. Drop present tense, dropped past tense. He dropped the glass, he dropped the glass. Advise present tense, advised past tense. So, my teacher advised me yesterday to improve my handwriting. My teacher advised me yesterday to improve my handwriting. So, advice, past tense of advice is advised. So, this, since the similar on the same pattern it falls, as I said earlier, they are called regular verbs. Now, we will practice with irregular verbs. Come present tense, came. Drink, drank. Eat, ate. Found, find. Forget, forgot. Get, got. Give, gave. Let me tell you now how this generation of sentence can take place in this table. In the similar fashion, you have to practice this one and the other one also. So, you see now, I painted, I dropped the ball, I advised my brother, I came home late, I drank a cup of coffee in the morning, I ate 2 idlis only today, I found him in the park, I forgot to give my mother the pen, I got a camera, I gave her 10 rupees. See, I painted, I dropped, I advised, I came, I drank, I ate, I found, I forgot, I got, I gave. Use with we now. We painted, we dropped, we advised, we came, we drank, we ate, we found, we forgot, we got, we gave. Go to this one, he now. He painted, he dropped me at my house. He advised me to be regular in my classes. He came to our house yesterday evening. He drank a liter of water. He ate 2 bananas in the morning. He found me in the market. He forgot to give me my pen. He got a car. He gave me something. So, like this, with I, with we, with you, with they, with he, she, it, you can generate more than 50-60 sentences in this. So, that if we put in this place some other irregular verbs, you master the use of irregular verbs. Your irregular verb usage will become correct. Now, let us come to the negative form. You see here again similar pattern you have to study. For an example, I will give you some sentence structures now. So, paint becomes painted. So, I didn't paint, I didn't drop, I didn't advise, I didn't come, I didn't drink, we didn't eat, you didn't find, he didn't forget, he didn't get, she didn't give. So, this is a negative form. So, with they you can use and change these verbs and put new verbs, like that you have to. Now, you observe here what happens when the past tense is put in a question form like this: did I leave? He left, did he leave? I met, did I meet? I knew it, did I know it? He rang the bell, did he ring the bell? I said something, did I say something? He sat on the wall, did he sit on the wall? He sold his house, did he sell his house? He slept 8 hours yesterday, did he sleep 8 hours yesterday? It stood on the road, did it stand on the road? So, what happens here is that in the past tense, when we are using did, the base form of the verb comes here. So, the mistake should not be committed like did he came, did he sat, did he ate, all wrong. It will be like this: did you leave, did you meet, did we know, did we ring, did we say, did we sit, did he sell, did he sleep, did she stand, like that. So, come to this one now, cleaned. This corrected, this ed is did plus correct, that is it. So, remember always when we are using did form, then the base form only comes, meaning that cleaned, cleaned. He cleaned the house, did he clean the house? He cleared the floor, did he clear the floor? He demanded 100 rupees, did he demand 100 rupees? I discussed something, did I discuss something? We distributed sweets, did we distribute the sweets? She prepared well for the examination, did she prepare well for the examination? He missed his bus, did he miss his bus? We mixed the milk, did we mix the milk? I needed something, did I need something, like that. So, that we have to be very careful when we are using this type. Now, I will give you some more examples of this type of sentences, so that your ideas will become very clear about this concept. Okay. Now, I will give you some practice material. I will read first, then you repeat it, so that you practice it that way. Did Abraham eat an apple or an orange? Did Abraham eat an apple or an orange? He ate an apple. Did John give a book or a magazine? Repeat now onwards. Did John give a book or magazine? He gave a book. Did Paul come last night or this morning? Did Paul come last night or this morning? He came last night. Did Paul become a doctor or a lawyer? Did Paul become a doctor or a lawyer? He became a doctor. He became a doctor. Did Joseph meet Mary or Anne? Did Joseph meet Mary or Anne? He met Mary. Did Balu read a book or a newspaper? Did Balu read a book or a newspaper? He read a book. You see, read. Did read becomes read. Did eat becomes ate. Did give becomes gave. Did come becomes came. Did become turns into became. Did Annie drink tea or coffee? She drank coffee. Did Pavitra get a chair or a table? Did Pavitra get a chair or a table? She got a chair. Did John forget a book or a pencil? He forgot a book. Did Anu see a car or a train? Did Anu see a car or a train? She saw a car. So, repeat like this. Did Ramu tear his shirt or a piece of paper? He tore his shirt. Did Ramu tear his shirt or a piece of paper? He tore his shirt. Did Sachin speak to George or Paul? Did Sachin speak to George or Paul? He spoke to George. Did Sachin break a cup or a plate? Did Sachin break a cup or a plate? He broke a cup. Did Sachin wake up at 6 o'clock or 7? Did Sachin wake up at 6 o'clock or 7? He woke up at 6. Did Sachin write a letter or a postcard? He wrote a letter. Did Anu take a pencil or a pen? Did Anu take a pencil or a pen? She took a pencil, like that. So that this way we have to practice, so that the use of language becomes a habit for us and the fluency comes up. So, we will see some more irregular verbs as well as regular verbs practice like this in the next video. Thank you.